The average child spends 5 to 6 minutes outside, less than a convict. We become an indoor species. And that lack of connection, that disconnect between nature and between who we are is profound. And when that happens, it creates poor mental health. We don't feel as well. We don't feel we matter. And we do matter. And so my work moving forward into helping people now be able to put their mind where they want, when they want, for as long as they want, is all about exploring that inner world. The inner world of ourself and how we think. That's where I'm spending the rest of my journey, the rest of my life.